This is Warren with IJustWannaRide.com and Doghouse Motorcycle Radio. And today I'm going to unbox the Boom Audio Premium Half Helmet Music and Communication Headset. Because the one that came with our Ultra Classic Limited gave up. Had a short in it somewhere and it was just unusable. So I was forced to buy a new one. So let's unbox it and see what's in here. Got a nice case. Cardboard. So far no instructions. Retaining strap and fuzzy headphones. The boom mic itself. And here's the instructions. And a very nice case. A little zip package to put something, I don't know what you put in there, but it's something. So this is what happens when you unbox the Boom half helmet from Harley Davidson. Try it out and I'll write up a little blog article about it, so stay tuned. Thanks.